Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to make an obstacle avoiding car mainly using Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, and a servo motor. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and turn on the bell button to get the notification of my new videos. Here we need an Arduino Nano. You can use Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega instead. Ultrasonic sensor. Servo motor. L298 and motor driver. Then need a 4WD car chassis. First, assemble the 4WD car chassis. Now I am attaching an L298 and motor driver with the chassis. Then attaching a 3-cell lithium-ion battery holder with the chassis. Now connecting the motor terminals with the motor driver. Now connecting the battery positive terminal with the motor driver's 12-volt input terminal, and connecting the negative terminal of the battery with the motor driver's ground terminal. Then attaching the Arduino Nano to a breadboard and place it in the chassis. Connecting the V in the pin of Arduino with the breadboard positive terminal, and the ground of the Arduino with the breadboard negative terminal. Now connecting the ground of the motor driver with the breadboard negative terminal. And 5 volts out terminal of the motor driver with breadboard positive terminal. Now checking the connection. The connection is okay. Now attaching the servo motor in the front of the chassis. then attaching the ultrasonic sensor on the top of the servo motor. Ground of the ultrasonic sensor with the breadboard negative terminal. Connecting the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor with the breadboard positive terminal. Connecting the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor with the A6 pin of Arduino. Then connecting the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor with the A4 pin of the Arduino. Then connecting the motor driver's control pin with Arduino. Then connecting the servo motor ground with the breadboard negative terminal and VCC with the breadboard positive terminal. Then connecting the servo motor signal pin with pin 10 of Arduino. So, all the connections are done. Now coming in the coding part. These two lines import external libraries servo.h for controlling servo motors and newping.h for working with ultrasonic sensors. These constants define the pin numbers for motor control and the servo motor. These defined directives are used to set pin numbers for the ultrasonic sensor's trigger and echo. The newping object sonar is initialized with the defined trigger pin, echo pin, and maximum distance. The servo motor is positioned at 90 degrees center, and a 1-second delay allows the servo to reach this position. In the loop, the variables distance right and distance left are initialized to store the measured distances when looking right and left. If the robot detects an obstacle within 30 centimeters, it stops, moves backward, stops again, and checks for the distance on the right and left using the look right and look left functions. The robot compares the distances measured on the left and right. If the right side is clear or has more space, it turns right. Otherwise, it turns left. After turning, the robot stops. If there's no obstacle within 30 centimeters, the robot moves forward. Now select the board as Arduino Nano. Select port. Select the processor. Then upload the code.